Hi everyone, myself Prasad and welcome to my channel guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pay a house rent. Plus if you wanted to transfer your credit card funds into saving account, you can also use the same method to do that transfers. But this video is completely for information purpose, it's not to mislead you. And one more thing about my channel guys, my channel is presently containing the three languages Hindi, English and Telugu. So guys, please can you go ahead and subscribe. Now without any delay, let's get started. So before starting this process, I would like to tell you one thing. In the past, we had so many ways to transfer from credit card to saving account. But right now, very lesser ways is available to do the transfers. But however, we are just giving that information so that if any kind of a way got blocked or is not working, so that you can keep some backup plan to do those transfers. Website link is given in the description. You can go with the website link, and website name is paymetric.in. Once you're done with registration step, you can go ahead and you can log in, but kindly go ahead and use my referral code. And here it's a website look like. Once you're logged in, you will see the dashboard like this, and you can directly see the option for the pay rent and bill payments and all that. In bill payments, you can also pay your education fees, vendor payments and all. And coming to the pay rents, you can pay your house rents and other maintenance fees. Coming to the parent option, the parent option, the first thing is that you need to link your address for this particular facility. That when you need to provide all your address, you need to add as a property, or else if you don't want to add as a property, you can go with the directly bill payment process. So bill payment process and parent have the same payment method. That means the same charges will be there, and payment process also will be there, and turnaround time also will be the same to do the settlement. At presently I'm going with the bill payment because I needed to go with add property. It will take some time, so directly I will go with the parent. When you're doing the bill payment option for the first time, you need to go with add builder. That means you need to provide the account number and account holder name. I already added one builder with this particular option. You can see that. Now I needed to provide the payment for. So payment for, I can provide anything, tuition fees, education fees, so you can provide that. So here I'm selecting as a tuition fees. Coming to the amount, I'm going ahead and providing 10,000 rupees and selecting the pay now option. When I select the pay now option, it will take you to the payment page. There you can find that what kind of a payment methods they're offering: credit card, debit card, net banking, MobiKwik, plus EMIs. So EMI facilities also you can select from here. Now coming to the wallet transfer, they're actually offering the three wallets presently from Airtel Money and Freecharge and Jio Money. Also you can check at the MobiKwik also. You can also do the payments by the MobiKwik. But we are main theme to transfer the funds by the credit card, right? You can select the credit card, and the credit card, when you're transferring the 10,000 rupees, what are the charges? Coming to the charges for the credit card, 2% charge and plus 18% GST. So when you're transferring your 10,000 rupees funds from your credit card, this will be around 10,236 rupees that you need to do. And coming to the settlement time, so settlement time, you can see that 2 to 3 working days the payment settlement will be done. So from here, what you need to do, so you need to provide all your credit card details, card number and expiry date in CVV, and you need to select the pay. So it will redirect it to the payment page and the transactions will be done. So this is a very simple process to do it, but the charges I can understand it's around 2% plus GST, a little bit. So as I informed, you can keep these methods as a backup plan, because if any of the main methods is not working, so you can use these kind of methods to transfer your funds into saving account. So if you have any further doubts or any kind of suggestion if you wanted to share, kindly drop a message in the video section. In next video I will show you the few more tricks to do the transfer. Not only that, I am coming with some new content, so please can you go ahead and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, friends.